For nearly 2 centuries, our society has been at the heart of farming life in Yorkshire. We diversified like the industry we serve to make sure we can provide the support that our community really needs. We provide the perfect venues to congregate and celebrate those magical moments for business and pleasure. And of course there's our showpiece event, the Great Yorkshire Show. Another 140,000 tickets sold in 2024 and plenty of supreme champions to crown. We are here to stay and we want everyone to join us and feel right at home for the next stage of our exciting journey. That's why from now on our charity has a brand new look. One family. Our family. The Yorkshire Agricultural Society. An amazingly diverse charity at the heart of farming life in the north of England. We're working all year round to make a difference. All profits from all of our ventures support farmers and promote food, good health, farming and the countryside. The Hurd family are 5th generation hill sheep farmers at Yorkenthwaite in Upper Wharfdale.
It's always been tough. There's nothing new about it being tough hill farming. It's just something that we've always done and we're used to it, and you just sort of wake up every day and see what's coming and try and adapt to it.
They were given a Growing Roots grant by the Society to help them achieve their dream of making Britain's breakfasts better.
I mean, our granola is made from fresh rolled oats and stone ground flour bound together with olive oil and honey. There was a scheme at the time run by the Yorkshire Agricultural Society called Growing Roots, and we applied to that scheme for funding to help purchase the first 2 ovens that we bought. If that hadn't happened, I don't think probably we would have been able to do what we did when we did it.
The Society supports more than 430 local producers and suppliers at Fodder, which is about to undergo a major refurbishment. Here at Lottie Shaw's in Brighouse, there's a smell of success and parking, and it's in no small part thanks to Fodder.
Fodder has really helped us. They've always taken on our newer products and development. We've been on our journey for seasons. They're really good at taking seasonal products off us. We work with them to develop, our ideas. When we're taking new samples, they're really helpful and they're just so lovely to work with. They're always such a lovely team and have been really supportive along the way.
As part of the Society's rebrand, the Pavilions of Harrogate is merging with the Yorkshire Event Centre and will now be known as the Great Yorkshire Event Centre. With acres of green space on the doorstep for outdoor exhibitions and a 6-kilometre internal road network for test drives, it's a dream location for any local or national event.
Yes, so we are using the pavilions again for our 2025 conference. I think it was within 3 days after our conference last year, the Ops Board, which is our board of directors, they asked me to book it straight away. They said it was flawless start to finish, the food, the staff, the facilities.
It's always amazing to work with the Event Centre. You phone them, there's always somebody there helpful, wanting to make things work for you. You get to site and they are tremendous. They work with you to make sure the event is as brilliant as it possibly can be.
So for the first time, the Great Yorkshire Event Centre, the Caravan Park, Fodder and the Great Yorkshire Show are linked together to promote the work of our charity, the Yorkshire Agricultural Society, which is vital to the future of farming, food production and the countryside in the north. As we begin the new year, our family has never been closer.